But as you can see, it appears to me like Freddie is preparing to remove the carburetor.
No, I am preparing to remove the fuel delivery system.
Which, now, I'm not a mechanic, but I believe that means the carburetor. Considering it's not fuel injected, I suppose standing there over here where there's gasoline smoking a cigarette probably isn't a smart thing to do, huh?
That's okay. Ricky pumps gas smoking a cigarette, so.
Ricky does everything smoking a cigarette.
Oh, boy.
Boy, that looks rusty.
Who?
That carb.
It
looks
does.
rusted.
It does. Wow. I wish I knew what I was doing.
I wish I knew.
Wow.
I wish I knew what you were doing.
I am taking off the vacuum hose.
Vacuum hose, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, if you want, you could take off this wire tie and pull it out of the booster, and I wouldn't have to unbolt it. But you were too busy smoking a cigarette.
Well, you know, I got to take care of the important stuff first.
Right. All right. All done. So you missed out.
All right. So, what am I doing?
Unhook the throttle.
Unhook the throttle. Okay. Now, knowing full well that I'm far from being mechanically inclined, I know that's the throttle, so I need to pull this little. My Lord.
Don't hurt yourself.
Dude, I've used bobby pins thicker than that.
Don't make fun of Bobby Drake.
And I don't know who Bobby is. How do you know Bobby Drake?
Because we were at a scary party with him.
Oh, they were, yeah.
And he wanted to get chopped by the master.
That's not Bob.
Oh, Bobby's his wife.
Bobby's the wife.
Greg's Greg, right? Is
yeah. Shout out to Greggy. What's up, man? Love you, bro.
I'm sorry. He didn't chop Bobby. She would have beat his butt.
She would have opened up a serious can of whoop ass.
And behind, I don't know if you heard the snickering and giggling, but behind the camera is Sharon.
Hi, Sharon.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
She's a special kind of person.
So very special.
She don't want to show you because she has her helmet on today.
I came prepared, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Were you a Boy Scout?
No, I got kicked out for eating brownies. Oh.
Boy, those chocolate brownies are good.
Yeah, they didn't tell me it was going to be a weed brownie. Oh, look at that.
Put the gasket with it. Oh. And I will fill the intake. Because I have to defecate.
Now, what do you... Oh. What? You can't fill the intake with poo.
You want to bet?
Who do you think you are, a monkey? Only monkeys fill them with poo.
Kind of like a gorilla.
All right, well. As Eddie Murphy once said, you one ugly gorilla.
Well, I haven't seen a cute gorilla.
They're cute when they're babies. So, are you just doing that to keep dirt and stuff from getting in there?
I'm keeping that from a bolt falling in there, because if a bolt falls in there,
oh, then we got to take
it's
the
gonna
whole
make
motor apart.
a bad day.
I got magnets.
Yeah, well, the problem is it could drop into the cylinder.
Ooh. In which case, a magnet would do no good.
My dad would be so proud of me for doing this. Because I never did before.
Your dad would be proud of you anyway.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
I do. Perfect. Look at that.
I don't understand it. The person put a quadra-junk carburetor on an Edelbrock intake. See, it says Edelbrock.
Yep. So,
That's a Rochester Quadrajet, that carburetor he just took off.
okay, I'll remember that.
And it is
Not. Well, I will remember it because it's caught on film.
it is not a high performance carburetor.
Yeah, so, yeah, they got the transmission geared for drag racing.
Right.
What the hell were they drag racing against? Volkswagens?
Horses.
Farm trucks, little truck.
The pedal cars.
Right.
They were racing against the Shriners.
Now we have an issue. It don't stick.
You know what? We can solve the issue. I can move this handy dandy little...
No,
how
we're
do
gonna
you
leave
do?
it right there.
And we can stick it to something that'll stick.
No, we're gonna leave it right there.
No, we're not. We're going to put it right here where it will stick. See? Look at that. Not
But
going
now I
anywhere.
have to throw it there instead of there.
You'll be alright.
I might pull a muscle.
The only muscle I can see you pulling is the one in your mouth. And even then, I'm doubtful.
Sharon don't want me to pull that one.
Alright, moving on. What are we doing?
Smoking a cigarette.
We just came back from commercial break.
Well,
We gonna take another one?
yep.
Well, you know, if we took the same commercial break at the same time, we could go back. We could come back from commercial break at the same time. All right, folks, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back from commercial break, even though there was not really much of a commercial. Now, Fred, you need to explain to the audience what you're doing.
I'm unhooking something. I really don't know what it is right now, but I'm unhooking it.
Well, I can't really see your right hand, so I don't know where it's at to zoom in on it, but you got a real extreme close-up of your face.
Yay! I'm ugly as sin.
Well, join the club, brother. Join the club.
So what are you taking out now?
You don't know yet.
I don't know. It's something to do with wires here.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
All
you
right.
said I can get started on removing the fender?
If you want to, sure.
I love the smell of gas.
Me too.
Except for when I'm lighting a cigarette. Boom! The boom factor. Okay. I need... Is this mine or yours? I think that's my 3/8.
There.
Is
All right.
this my 3/8 or yours?
Is it a Craftsman?
Hi, how are you?
Well, yeah. Well, it must be mine because you're using Snap-on.
Back up.
That one's home though. We got new ones there.
Yeah, that came off way easier than I expected. Nice. Way, way easier than expected. Uh-oh, what do you think? I believe this is, that's good. This is, so yeah, nobody lights a cigarette out here.
I'm not.
What about me?
Yeah, I'm not worried about you. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take out all these little heavy duties. Those are all connected to the fender. I believe that would be. Ooh, that's too big. Oh, I think that's 10 millimeter. Now, this is the hood screws. So, what did you just put in there?
Park light.
Whoops. Nope, that is headlight. All right, we'll put it in.
10 millimeter.
Now we got the whole picture around here. Father-in-law has joined us. This is my father-in-law, Gary. Say hi to the internet audience, Dad.
What's left on that fender to unbolt?
Whatever's on the
Did
front.
you get? Was there any in between the door sill?
There was one, and I thought for sure.
Not underneath it. You open the door.
No, the only bolt holding it there is the one that's underneath.
Okay.
Yeah, I can pull this right out, but
Okay.
I gotta get the front end of it, the front nose.
Well, he just wiggled it. It's all
Yeah, but it's still attached here, I believe.
right. But what I'm saying is it'll all come off the fender.
You can take the whole front nose right off.
Right.
If you take the bolts off this side, that whole thing would slide right off. in
And
one
there's a
piece.
bolt. 2 bolts right here.
That's for the headlight.
Right, but look. Oh, right there. You see the candle? Look right here, Kev. Right there.
Right there.
One right here. One right there. On the bottom. There's 4 bolts. See? That'll take that nose. So we'll take the fenders and the nose right off.
All in one shot, and then I can get,
Right.
I can separate them.
Right. Which is probably a 9/16. Nope. Half spin.
Yeah, half inch, where did I put it?
It was a test you passed.
Good job, Dad. Good job.
So, is the inner fender all unbolted?
This is all, dude, this is ready to come off.
Let's unhook this side here.
Yep. Do the same thing on this side now.
Good job. We're gonna go mobile.
Can't see nothing with me. I'm working in the dark.